The engine control unit ensures that all parameters are coordinated to deliver the most economical engine operation possible. The driver's wish for more or less torque is a key input variable for the engine control unit. Taking the current engine operation condition and driver wish into account, the electronic engine control from Bosch regulates the injection system, enabling the engine to make the desired torque available. To this end, information from the cam, crankshaft pressure and temperature sensors, among other things, is evaluated in real time to calculate the control signals that are then sent to the individual engine areas. Constant regulation of all engine parameters enables an exact control of punctual injection action and precise fuel distribution to be achieved. This results in fuel savings and reduced emissions.
Bosch, invented for life.